Yo, YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be installing the front grille on this car. As you know, in the last video, we changed one on the G37. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it right here on the screen or in the description down below. So, if you are liking our content, please subscribe, like the video, and let's get to this install. Okay, so what we're first going to do is remove the little screw and clip that's in this section. This screw, this clip right here, and then I believe there's another one right here holding the bumper. So you guys remove all the clips and screws from each side of the wheel wells. We're gonna open the hood and get under the car, so I'm gonna actually put it on these ramps. So let's put this car on the ramps real quick. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the grille I'm installing. It's a carbon fiber front grille. I will put the link in the description for this. If anybody is interested, I got this off eBay. I just wanted the front to look different. So what we're first gonna do is we're gonna remove these push clips right here. We're gonna move the push clips on this side, 1, 2, 3, all through this whole front end and on the other side. Now that we got all the clips off, we're gonna take these pieces off on each side. Put those to the side for now. Both of these. And then we're gonna get underneath the car and we're gonna remove the push clips under the car. Oh hey, future me here. Let y'all know, you don't have to get under the car for this install. I don't know what I was thinking. I was gonna originally remove the front bumper, didn't have to, so don't do it. Alright guys, so I just pried this up, pull this out. This is all loose now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove this whole chrome piece from behind. Alright guys, so I believe you push all the tabs out. There's like a little tab here throughout the whole grille. And we're gonna pull this grille off. This is my first time taking off this grille for this car. I've done it for plenty of other cars, but not this car, so it's actually the first time for this car, so let's get to it. So I got the top half off. For the bottom section right here where all the clips are for this bottom, I'm gonna show y'all. So in here, and it's a little blurry, let me find it. For right here, we're gonna pull this up and we're gonna push this out. You're gonna need 2 fingers for this throughout the whole thing, and then the bottom half should start coming off once you start doing that. So I'm gonna put y'all, see if I can get a good angle on the tripod to give y'all a view of me taking it off. As you can see, I got the grille off. This chrome grille, this smoke chrome that the sport models be getting. So next what we're gonna have to do is remove a screw, well, I believe 2 screws off this. It's gonna be inside here, these 2. Gonna take these out. We're gonna transfer it onto the new grille. So let's take these screws out and get out the new grille and assemble it. I'm actually gonna take it inside the house because it is kind of hot in here. All right guys, we are inside for the AC because it is a little too hot outside right now. So we're gonna remove the 2 screws off this grille and we're gonna transfer it onto the new. I guess if you want, you probably can do this. If, let's say, if you just want the outer portions, the smoke chrome. Obviously, I don't, but if you want, there is an idea here. Maybe you have the gloss black. You probably get the gloss black outside and just have this part and carbon fiber. Probably combinations you can do, but I'm just gonna put the whole carbon fiber on here. Here it is assembled. Quick update before we go outside. I actually use my own screws, as you can see the screw thing right there. Because the black ones I took off the OEM grill, the screws were a little too small, so this was a little wobbly, so I put my own screws in here, and now it's more snug fit, it won't wobble. All right guys, we're back to the car. Let's put this grill on the car. Pretty much just reverse your steps, it should all fit. All right guys, so this is how it's looking. What do you guys think? And also don't forget to put back on the screws and the clip on each side of the wheel wells. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. Pull this out. This is how it looks. Just gotta put the badges on. So let me actually grab the badges and put it on the car. This is the front, this is the rear, and this is the steering wheel. I got these off Extragen Auto. I got these with a discount code. If you guys want a discount code, hit up Boosted Whips. He'll help you find anything, wheels, suspension, get you discounts on all these parts. I got a discount on my taillights from him. I've never mentioned that on the first video. Thank you to him for the discount. I'll probably link his, well, I will link his Instagram down below. If you guys do need a discount on any parts, hit him up. If you need to find any wheels, suspension, etc., he will help you. Alright guys, here's the badge on the car. Front badge. Alright guys, the steering badge is on. I'm just gonna give a quick wipe down. Press it down a little bit, the orange is gonna hop. There we go. Give it some adhesion. Now the last thing to do is the badge for the trunk. Alright guys, this is going to conclude the video for this JDM Carbon Fiber Sport Grill. I'm going to install the rear badge in a different video when I get the center trunk trim with the lights on it. So, till then, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Share the video to all your friends. It'll help a lot. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.